Hi, food lovers! Welcome to Dobby's Signature. Today we're making a comfort food classic juicy meatballs with pasta. It's hearty, it's delicious, and you can whip it up in under an hour. Let's get cooking. For this, I'm using pre made meatballs. To learn how to do this from scratch, you can click the link in the description below. Now let's cook the meatballs. You pour some oil into your frying pan and you add your meatballs into the frying pan. You gently add them one at a time, making sure you do not crowd the pan, and fry till your meatballs are cooked thoroughly. Once the first side is cooked, you flip it over to ensure the next side is cooked too. Once it's cooked thoroughly, you remove the meatballs from the oil and you repeat this for the rest of the meatballs. Now, next we're going to make the sauce. You reduce the oil in the pan and add your tomato and pepper paste, your tomato puree. To learn how to do this, I'm going to put the link in the description below. You add that and you give that a good mix. You add your tomato paste. Give that a good mix. The tomato paste is to give it a dark red color. You add your thyme, onion powder, curry powder, salt, and crushed seasoning. Give this a good mix and add water. Now at this point, you can reduce the sauce and reserve it for a different time if you're just making a meal for two, like I am. Add the cooking cream and mix. Mix, then add the cooked meatballs. Now you can add the meatballs and leave them to simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. Add your pre-cooked pasta and toss to combine. Garnish with parsley or basil and serve. To get the full recipe and explore more recipes, feel free to scan this code on the screen to gain access. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up or hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future updates.